Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So the other day I was thinking to myself, I've made a lot of videos all over the world, but I've actually never made one here in the US. So I want to bring you guys something special. I want to bring you guys the MGM Skyloft here in Las Vegas. And if you find these kind of content helpful and you like these kind of contents, please subscribe and like the video. Let's go.
Our stay at the MGM Skyloft started right away once we got to Las Vegas Airport with complimentary private pickup. After the short drive, we arrived at the dedicated Skyloft entrance, away from the busy main entrance. From there, we went through the Skyloft bell desk and into the main lobby. However, as guests of the Skyloft, we don't have to wait in the lobby. Instead, we were escorted to the VIP lounge. The lounge itself offers free snack and drinks. Access to this lounge is free for Skyloft guests, and it opens from 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. And through another set of doors inside the lounge, we arrive at the Skyloft elevator where you have to use your key card to get to floor 29. And that's where all the Skylofts are located. Once there, we checked in at the small but quiet Skyloft lobby. Oh yeah, it was Lunar New Year when we were there, so all of Las Vegas has this theme going. We were then escorted to our room by a personal butler, and having a personal butler is one of the perks of staying at Skyloft. Before we move on to the room tour, I want to let you guys know that one of the biggest draw of being a Skyloft guest is that your butler can get you a reservation at many well thought after venues, including a dining experience at the invitation-only MGM Mansion, so I'll make a separate video on that soon.
Alright guys, so let's do the room tour. The first thing I want to show you guys is this security camera. So basically it replaces the peephole. All right, you can see it outside the door. Whoever knocks on your door, just press the button and you'll be able to see it. So that's a pretty good piece of technology, I would say. Over here is the powder room. So it's the bathroom. There's a toilet behind this door over here. I don't think there's anything in here. Oh, we got soap and that's about it. A very large entrance area, like it's really comfortable. This room is I believe 1,200 square feet, so really large. Obviously, you expect nothing less here at the Skyloft at the MGM. All right, so let's start with the downstairs area. So my first impression is that, wow, this is almost like an art gallery, right? We got some cool, very cool decoration over there. Got one right there, and of course, the thing that steals the show is this head thing right here. No idea what that is, but hey, it's cool looking. Let's move down here. This is the living room area. You know, everything is really spacious, and we have a TV. So now, we have to touch on this because the biggest complaint here at the Skyloft is that all the technologies are pretty much outdated, and I kind of do agree because look at this TV. It's not really a flat screen TV. This Skyloft is actually built in the mid-2000s, so I believe 2005, but they've never refreshed this room or remodeled it. So this is what it was like when they first opened. So look at this ultra high ceiling, right? This is incredible, and we are lucky because we got assigned a strip view. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, it's the New York, New York across the street. So, and we can see up there is the bedroom, and over there, that door is the shower room and the tub. And we'll go upstairs after we explore this area first. But yeah, very, very large dining table. I don't know how I can ever use this space, but it's nice to look at. And then we have some welcome fruit, that's very good. And let's take a look at the mini bar. So with the mini bar, although it says that water is $10 each, but it's actually complimentary. So we have 6 of these, 5 of these, and they'll replace these every day. Plus, we get access to the VIP lounge downstairs. So technically, you don't have to drink the soft drinks here. You can just go downstairs and grab a drink. But the coffees are complimentary. It's very cool. We got beans, and there's already beans in there as well. So we can actually take it out and open it, or I shouldn't mess with it right now. We also have the mini bar. Obviously, it's Las Vegas, so if you don't have alcohol, it's not Las Vegas, right? All right, let's move over here. Tucked away right there around the corner is the office space. So I actually quite like this little area, although it's not too bright. I would love it if they have like a lamp or like a light in there, so it's quite dark if you just sit down and try to do some work. But you get to enjoy the view. I know it's hard to see with all the glares, but yeah, it's actually quite nice. So let's move upstairs. Right over here. Okay, go up. So the first thing you'll realize when you get up here is we got more of this nice strip view over here. And if you actually turn around, look at that. That's the shower room. Wow. No curtains, huh? Las Vegas. And moving here is the stairway up to the bedroom. I like that it's floor upstairs. Floors and carpet. And this is the bedroom area. Let's take a look over here. We have this nice little LED lamp. Oh wow, so bright. It's so bright, and the color doesn't really match. Doesn't really match because it's blue and it doesn't really match the yellow-orange color. So I'm gonna turn that off. Oh, so we do have the remote. We have one downstairs as well, and we can take a look. So we can actually control everything from here. Drapes, I can close the drapes. Let's do a little test from here. So we get shears. Look at that. And I'll open it because I want to enjoy the view. And look, we can see what's downstairs. And there's Jeanette over there on her phone. All right. Okay, let's put this back because I don't want this to run out of batteries. So yeah, so again, everything seems older. Just for example, this charge port here. This is not built into the wall. I mean, I'm thankful that they have one, but as you can see, this is something that they have to add it later. I don't know if they have that when they actually open the Skyloft here. At MGM, we have a bunch of switch over here, but you don't really have to use that because you can just use the remote. It'll control everything. So this is useless. Again, the TV is very old, but it's okay. But you know, when you're in Vegas, I doubt you're going to be spending a lot of time watching TV. But yeah, here's the phone. Speaker, very nice. I do like the speakers though. I got one here and one over here, and they told me that you can actually connect your phone or whatever devices that you have to the speaker, so you can actually play your own music, which is quite nice. So let's move on to the walk-in closet and the bathroom. Ooh, look at this. First of all, you'll notice a Dyson hairdryer. That's just screams high-end, right? And we have Bulgari amenities. So that's something that's very different from your local US hotels. And we do have a TV in here. That's really cool. Love that part. Got the tub right here. There's a lot of good things that I heard about this tub. It'll make the champagne bubble that I was told, and it also lights up. But I haven't tried it yet, so maybe later. Bathroom in here, the toilet, and a long, long walk-in closet. That's so cool. Let's see, his and hers. I got area where you can hang your clothes or dressed, and luggage, and look, it's just endless space. Look at that. And I love the wall lamp. That is just cool. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. I want that at home. Okay, so let's take a look at the shower room. This is a shower and steam room. So I was told that if you just press this button and wait for like 10 minutes, and it'll become a steam room and you can go in and do your thing. So you can also do it from here as well. Wow, look at that. Dual rain shower. I've never seen that before. This is so cool. This is so cool. Look at it. I love this bathroom, this shower room. And more Bulgari amenities. And you can see the stair coming up. Okay, let's go here. All right, so let's talk about the redemption situation. There are none because MGM just ended their partnership with Hyatt, and they're starting to roll out their partnership with Marriott Bonvoy. So as we speak, there's no actual way to book this room with Bonvoy points yet. Maybe, hopefully later on, you'll get a chance to use Marriott Bonvoy points for this room because the nightly rate is quite high. However, I actually went through the calendar for the entire year of 2024 and found the cheapest 2 nights. So I'm paying $660 per night for 2 nights. However, if you actually just scroll down on the calendar, you'll see that this room can go up to as high as $4,000 or $5,000, and regularly probably at over $1,000 to $2,000 in that range. So my suggestion is, if you really want to try the MGM Skyloft and you don't want to pay the high prices, then wait and see if you can redeem with Bonvoy points, because they're just rolling out this partnership and we have no idea where it's going to go. It's not a guarantee that it will happen. If you want to pay cash for it, make sure you go through the calendar and find a lower rate, maybe come on a weekday where it's an off night, so it's a little cheaper. All right, guys, thank you again for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this kind of video, and if you like this kind of content, please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you guys next time.